For our premier card making kit for March, these are the assortment of products you're going to receive. Everything is carefully explained in the full color newsletter. You can see all 10 of the cards, and you'll notice that they're all very different, have very different looks, themes, and feels to them. Members will receive 16 papers, and this is half of them, and the other half I'll show you as I present the cards to you. In addition, you're going to get 10 envelopes, 10 cards. There's a paper engineered card this time, and it is a triple step card, and it comes flat. Just fold it. Fold here. All of these are mountain folds here and here. And then the two that go down are the valley folds. And that is going to create that card. And I'll show you how that gets transformed in just a moment. In addition, there are embellishments. There are die cuts. And this is a new addition to our club. And every month, members are going to get one sheet. This time, there are 15 on this sheet. And some of them are interior ones, like this is one. Then there's a frame and another frame. Very, very fun to use. There's also a piece of vellum. You'll see that with a shaped card. We also have a laser cut piece. Now, the particular kit that I'm showing has this one, but on the newsletter, members will see a variety and they'll receive one of them. There are also some velvet flowers this month, in addition to a couple of ribbons and some other, a die cut tag and a die cut label, all included. And there are also the self-adhesive pearls. Very, very nice. Let's see what these are going to be transformed into. Every month, members will get a Christmas card and a shaped card, but this month they're combined in one. This one is having winter wishes, and you can see it is a giant jar, and that's where the vellum is used to peek inside. And what do we have inside but just a whole bunch of snowflakes? And this is packed with love, and you can see the baker's twine right around the rim. With Mother's Day on the horizon, we're going to get 2 cards. This is the triple step card, as you can see. Now, you can use the card this way, or you can turn it this way. So that kind of looks like a cake, doesn't it? But we've decided to turn it horizontally just for you, Mom. The nice thing is that this card will stand up. Wishing you a lovely Mother's Day. Now, there's always these greeting areas are done also plain so that you can computer journal. You may just want to turn this into a birthday wishes instead of a Mother's Day card. We always give you 2, and our second card looks like this. All of our cards are a generous size. They're 5 by 6.5 inches. So you can really do some fun, creative things on it. And of course, the graphics team makes it really easy with things like this artwork to hold our flowers, as well as this very fun bow that you'll see. And every card is finished on the inside also. And in addition, every card has something on the back that you can sign your name, and the artwork matches the card itself. So everything is customized. That's part of our premiere. Here is a hello card, and we have this every month. We call it kind of a blank card, and that way you can do whatever you want on the inside. And many times we will have an envelope that will be decorated for you. Here is the card. This is, see, I showed you this one, but in this particular case, this is the piece that was used. But as you can see, either one would be quite lovely and very, very perfect. Time flies. Wishing you another birthday. We always have a masculine birthday, and that's what this month is. Now, we also have another 5 cards, and these are done with the die cuts primarily, also some bits of ribbon. I love this kind of rolling that edge, this thank you card. You make the world a better place. Very, very pretty. A condolences card, and it's nice to have these on hand, don't you think? And a birthday card, just layering those on the papers as well as on top of each other just makes a beautiful, beautiful look. This one also has an envelope idea. This has that sparkly looking paper and taking the border and using it to make kind of a little pocket. That's a really nice idea. and using that sparkly on the envelope flap. Very, very pretty. And again, as you can see, this is a love you card. Very pretty. You make my heart happy. Very, very nice. And this is really indicative of what members get every single month. As I said, we do more than just shop for you. We design for you, and we are selecting products that are just going to be perfect to go with the papers. All 16 of the papers, all 10 of the cards are just beautiful. And members will also receive a special offer every month with a discount of something that they can buy exclusively for members only. So every month you'll get a Christmas card, a shaped card, a engineered card, as you saw, as well as 7 other cards, a total of 10. We'd love to invite you to be part of our Cardmakers Premier Club. We also have scrapbooking, cutting dies, stamps, templates, Dazzles, mixed media made easy, and as you can see, card making. Go to paperwishes.com, go on the right-hand side, click on the monthly kits, and you'll see all that we have to offer. We invite you to join the Premier family.